There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2018 Ford Mustang GT in Shadow Black. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 19-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO front brakes, rear performance spoiler, LED tail lamps, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 2,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 5.0-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5825A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.